Hello, today we are making homemade raviolis. First we need 3 cups of semolina flour.
How many cups is that?
This is 2 cups.
2 cups.
Now we need a fourth of a cup of all-purpose flour.
You could dip that in that bag to give it if you need to.
And now after this, what do we do?
We're gonna stir it together.
And now we need 1 teaspoon of salt.
What kind of salt are you using?
I'm using pink salt.
Pink salt.
And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we need 1 cup of water, but we are using the same cup as that I put the flour in, so that's what the white stuff is.
And now we mix it.
Now, if it gets crumbly like this, then you can knead it with your hands into a ball. And if it's too dry, then you can add a little bit more water. And then after that, you add more water as it keeps on going. Keeps on finding a way.
Find the way. Starts to stick together like that, you can roll it out on the counter. You can add a little bit more flour, you think? Okay. Once you grab that all-purpose. Just do a quick little sprinkle. That's too much. That's good, yeah. There you go.
Now we are After it gets into the size of a ball and it's not sticking to your hands, then you grab some saran wrap and you put it into the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now we are going to wrap it and chill it. I've been sidetracked from Minecraft for about an hour or two, but I'm back, and we are going to knead this a little bit more and put some more of this semolina flour on it. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on it.
You want it to be kind of breaking like that so it's not sticky. And we're about ready to roll it through the pasta maker.
So now what you have to do after you knead it and put some flour on it, then you make it into a tube like this, and then you put it on the first setting of the pasta maker, and you should probably flatten it out right before you put it in.
It's okay, we kind of just want to flatten it and then we'll press it back together. Kind of getting sideways here.
I can't.
Okay.
My arm isn't that long.
Move your arm. Move your arm. Okay. Oh man.
I
How
missed
about you
it.
just pull it through? Get it on the other side of me. Oh jeez, the little handle fell out. We are so good at this. Okay.
Jeez, that one's long. It's gonna go through too, and we're gonna make it go through again. It's long.
So should we talk about the time we did this and we made a 6-foot tall noodle?
You already technically said it.
And then you got your name because you love to make pasta. So we call you Noodle. Okay, let's do this one. That one's super long.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're probably gonna have to cut it in
Yeah, we'll
half.
cut that in half. Let's get this one going. Ready? Looks nice.
We have cut these into even pieces, and we are going to cook the filling. Now we are going to use these vegan chicken patties, and we are going to set the oven to 385 degrees, and then we put it onto a pan, let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now we are going to use this rosso pesto sauce. It's kind of hard to get it out, but
Can you show me the label so they can see which one it is? There it is. It's delicious.
this one's disgusting.
It looks bad, but it tastes delicious. It's made out of sun-dried tomatoes.
now we cut these, and these are done, and now we are going to cut these into bite-sized pieces. They will be very hot since they just got out of the oven, but it's going to be worth it. Now since these are cut, now we are spreading these apart about 1.5 inches. So now you dab your finger in some water, and then you make a square on the pasta to make the pasta stick together. And then after this, you can finally bake it. So these have water all over them, and now we are going to fold them over and cut them.
You're going to press them really hard to make the dough stick to itself. Make sure you get it all the way to the end so there's no air pockets, okay? See, like that, it needs to be pressed again. There you go. Perfect. Just have to work with it. Make sure they're all sealed. We're going to do the rest, and we'll show you when we're done.
Use this little tool to cut the edges, make them look like raviolis, and then you want to make them just slightly bigger than the filling, because if they aren't smaller than a little bit bigger than the filling, then all you're going to have is pretty much just filling, and you don't want that. We have all of our raviolis cut, and we are going to place them into some boiling water. Be very careful not to burn yourself whenever you are putting them into the pot. Now the raviolis are in a jacuzzi, and they're having the time of their life. Now this is the finished product, and now we are going to add a little bit of the sauce. Not too much to where it overpowers all the food and everything, but just enough to where it would be good. And then you eat the one that you want to.
What do you think? Is it hot still?
It's good.
Thumbs up. It looks like you like it. You're already eating the second one. If I could show your face right now. Looks like you're enjoying it. Just tell me I can have this third one. Guess not. And that's the end of that.